Imagine embarking on a groundbreaking, coast-to-coast road trip in a Tesla, relying entirely on its full self-driving FSD technology, only to end up with a staggering $22,000 repair bill after just 60 miles. Sounds like a plot twist from a sci-fi movie, right? But this is exactly what happened to a popular Tesla YouTuber, and it's sparking conversations about the real-world readiness of autonomous driving. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Tesla FSD truly as advanced as enthusiasts claim? Or are we still years away from a fully autonomous future? If you've been keeping an eye on Tesla, you're likely familiar with CEO Elon Musk's bold 2016 prediction, a fully autonomous drive from Los Angeles to New York City by 2017. Fast forward to today, and that drive has yet to happen. Not in 2017, 2018, 2019, or even 2024. While Tesla's FSD has undoubtedly improved, it's still far from being foolproof for a safe and legal cross-country journey. Yet many Tesla fans remain convinced it's ready for prime time. This month, one such enthusiast, known as Bearded Tesla Guy, decided to put that belief to the test by attempting the trip, starting in San Diego instead of LA. Spoiler alert, it didn't go as planned. A few days ago, a friend shared a jaw-dropping clip with me. Bearded Tesla Guy and his companion hitting something hard on the highway, their car bouncing dramatically into the air, accompanied by a few choice expletives. At first, seeming like a hilarious mishap, but the aftermath was anything but funny. What they struck turned out to be a metal ramp at 75 miles per hour, and the Tesla's FSD, supervised mode, didn't even attempt to brake or swerve, and this is the part most people miss. The car's failure to detect and avoid the hazard raises serious questions about FSD's reliability in real-world scenarios. After the incident, the car was taken to a service center, where the damage was revealed: a severely broken front sway bar bracket, damaged plastic components, and most alarmingly, a malfunctioning high-voltage battery. The repair bill? A whopping $22,275.82. Fortunately, Tesla covered the battery replacement under warranty, citing pre-existing cell issues. But here's the kicker. Would a regular Tesla owner have received the same treatment? Or does being a famous YouTuber come with perks? It's a question that lingers. The journey isn't over yet. Bearded Tesla Guy is still documenting his cross-country FSD adventure on YouTube. But this incident forces us to confront a larger debate. Are we too quick to trust autonomous technology, or is Tesla simply ahead of its time? What do you think? Is FSD ready for prime time, or are we still in the experimental phase? Let's discuss in the comments, and don't forget to share your thoughts on whether Tesla's warranty policies favor influencers over everyday drivers. For more in-depth analyses and updates on the latest in clean technology, consider subscribing to Clean Technica's weekly Substack or daily newsletter. And if you've got a tip or story idea, we'd love to hear from you. Together, let's navigate the future of transportation, one controversial mile at a time.